All right, guys, we have another women's fragrance from the house of Armaf. This is from their Delights series. This is Island Bliss. And first things first, I'll go ahead and tell you the notes that are supposed to be in there, and that is coconut, green notes, wild berries, orange blossom, water lily, vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. And let's first talk about the best part of this, and that is the presentation. The presentation on this is just beautifully done. The box, a 2-layer box, is kind of, as you can see here, it's kind of a pain in the butt to get out. But holy cow, once you do, it is a beautiful presentation. Makes a wonderful gift based on this presentation by itself. It's also got a really cool bottle design, and the one that I got, unfortunately, had the straw broken off of it, and I think that's a packaging issue at the factory, because I got this from Joma Shop, and they're usually pretty good, but the packaging, I think, kind of messed it up. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. That's where my positivity kind of stops. Again, gorgeous presentation. Look at that. It's amazing. If you want it for the bottle, go for it. Why not? Have fun. But it is what I was expecting based on those notes I gave you. Was kind of like a sweet tropical vibe, something kind of syrupy, sugary, vanilla, coconut, just making it almost like an island drink, which is what they're kind of clearly going for based off this presentation. But what you get is just a white floral bomb. So, and white florals are nice in moderation. There's no moderation here. This is heavy, heavy, heavy on white florals, to the point that I think it smells more like a funeral home than it does like an actual women's perfume. So this is classic old lady smell. I hate it for it because it's such a great presentation. It had so much potential, and you think about all the various smells that go along with a tropical flavor and feel, and they just dropped all of them and said white florals all day long. You don't need anything else, just white florals, and we'll be good. And it's not good. It's just a hyper aged scent. You end up having like coconut water mixed with funeral home, and it's just not pleasant overall. The atomizer's decent. Armaf's atomizers are all kind of the same. Again, the presentation is just such a loss because the smell just doesn't do anything. But it is like, I tried everything. I let it dry down on myself on paper just to find something useful. The vanilla base and tonka bean base, which is usually so strong and just holds so well and usually dominates, which is why it's so often a base scent, because it lasts a long time and it's very dominant. It is overpowered by that white florals hours after spray. Like, we're not talking about a few minutes, like, oh, it's going to be like just the florals are there for a little while, then they fade. Those florals stay. They don't go away. It stays with the scent, and it just overpowers everything. After 30 minutes, the coconut's all but undetectable, and you just end up with this. Again, it just smells like old lady at the funeral home. I hate it because look at the presentation. There was so much potential here. There were so many other options. They could have gone coconut, pineapple, pina colada style. They could have just hit up a bunch of berries, fruits, sugary kind of smells. They had so many options here, and they could have kept the vanilla, kept the tonka bean, kept the coconut, but why, oh why are those white florals so darn intense? I thought maybe this was a maceration issue. I looked at the production date, it was November 2024, and it's now February 2025. That's 3 months. It's had time to macerate. So I just don't know what was going on. I don't know if this is just a production issue, just not knowing what people think of when they think of tropical drinks. Even if you're talking about like virgin drinks, no alcohol, like you could still make something very syrupy, daiquiri, like pina colada, like very sweet. That's what people look at. You see a sweet slushy drink, you don't think white floral monstrosity. You think, oh, it's gonna be sweet, coconutty, pineapple-y, fruity. That's what I'm gonna get, sugary. That's what I'm getting out of this. No, you get none of that. You get a slightly dry, intense white floral, and it was a huge disappointment. I might keep it just for the bottle, my wife might keep it just for the bottle, but for the price point, it's just not worth it to have it just sit on a shelf for the rest of its life. I hate it. I want them to reuse the bottle with a different formulation. That's what they need. They need to keep the bottle and change the formulation and change the addition and just maybe rename it. Just no good.